while scanning.
Yeah.
Yes, you know how to scan, right? And scanning, we use keywords.
Mm.
When it is scanning, we use keywords.
Keywords.
All right. This type of question has two parts, the stem and the choices. These are multiple choice questions. They are multiple choice because the choices are multiple, meaning many.
Yeah.
All right. This is the stem of the question, and these are the choices. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Now, in this test, you are to read the stem of the question only when you analyze and understand the stem. Then underline the keywords in the stem. By underlining the keywords in the stem, this will help you find that area or part of the passage where you will find the answer. So like this. So we don't read this, only the stem. In which country or area was an iodized salt support facility established? So the question is asking the name of the country where this iodized salt support facility established. This is a good keyword because it is quoted
Yeah.
in the same way.
Yeah.
When in most put this in your head side, when the keywords in the multiple choice questions in the stem are good keywords, you don't need to read. Understand?
Yeah.
You look for the keyword using content reading, as I explained last time.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright. Now, you don't need to read this one, only this one. Right?
Okay.
Then, once you have underlined the keyword, you scan the text, look for the keywords by using content reading. You read very carefully. Once you have found the keyword, read the sentence carefully in the text where the keywords are and understand. Then you go back to the question, read the choices, and then choose the correct answer. Alright? So, the question of multiple choice follow the order of information in the text. Therefore, start with the first question. That means they come in order, come in sequence. Alright? Okay. We'll read all the questions now. What common food is the question? Has vitamin A been added to? This is a good keyword. Capital. Why? Reason is the question. Why does UNICEF, good keyword, because it is acronym. Why does UNICEF support fruit and vegetables? Another good keyword. Support fruit and vegetable consumption and a more varied diet. In what aspect of the Green Revolution, a good keyword, was micronutrient content not taken fully into account? After reading all these, you have to read all the questions, not one by one.
Okay.
Then, reading, understanding the question and underlining the keyword, then you go to the text and look for the keyword. Alright? Doing like this. This is the first keyword that you must find. Alright? Not this keyword, but this first.
Yeah.
Because the questions of multiple choice follow the order of the passage. Alright? So this comes like this. So look for that. You don't read, you do like this. Huh? Look for this exact way because it is quoted. Line by line. You are not to read, but to look for the keyword. So here, exact word.
Yeah.
Alright. Once you have found the keyword, you stop. You don't need to read the sentence also.
Okay.
You get the word, three words before the keyword, as I explained last time.
Mm.
Establishment of an. Is this the name of the country?
Yeah.
Is this the name of a country?
No.
Alright, so therefore this is not an answer. Go to after the keyword. Here, in Pakistan. Is that a country?
Yeah.
So then look if there's you go there and choose. So Pakistan. With me?
Okay.
And then you go to this, vitamin A. Alright. Next, you don't have to go up. So, vitamin A. It's easy because it's a good keyword. You don't need to. You have vitamin A, but it is not capitalized. This is not keyword.
Mm.
You have here. Now, the question is what common food? Get the words before, three words. Still suffer from. It is food,
Mm.
bad, BAD with many, millions. Food?
Mm.
No. So this is not a keyword. Look for the keyword. Vitamin A. Supported service of is a food.
Mm.
Status that resulted food.
No.
So therefore this is not a keyword. Vitamin A. Distribution of food,
No.
supplement and food,
Supplements?
and improvement food?
Mm.
No. That's not a keyword. Here. Vitamin A.
No. Mm.
Of sugar meal is food.
Sugar, yeah.
Alright. So then you come it is. So possibly sugar, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then look for the next keyword, UNICEF. But don't miss. So the vitamin A. Again, sugar. The vitamin A. Then, oh, there is maize meal. And there is also maize meal.
Mm.
Then you are confused.
Yeah.
Then read the whole sentences where the keywords are. Really. This is the smaller part of the text that you need to read.
Mm.
A number of countries are building on the successful experience of Guatemala in fortification of sugar with vitamin A. Correct, because successful experience.
Mm.
Bolivia and Brazil both launched sugar fortification, meaning addition with vitamin A on a pilot basis. Correct, sugar. In Namibia and South Africa, the feasibility only
Mm.
of adding maize meal, the vitamin A is being considered. So which one is correct, sugar or maize? Sugar, because it's only considered, not just. So,
Mm.
yeah. Next. Then you go to look for the word UNICEF and fruit and vegetables.
Mm.
Then you say, oh, UNICEF. Fruit and vegetables. So, this is now the sentence you are going to read. Understand?
Yeah.
Alright. And then you look for grid evolution and do the same thing with the sentence. Alright. Now answer. Answer 7 and 8. also sustainable. Look at this, you see? So the answer is here, sustainable.
Mm.
Yeah. You cannot find this way, right?
Mm.
Can you find cheaper,
Mm.
obtainable,
Mm.
cost effective? Only this. You can use the choice. Here, right, revolution, but the answer is still A, right?
Mm.
So high yielding, varieties of cereal. You see, it's before and after that.
Mm.
That is multiple choice. Easy, right?
Mm.
So, question please? No question? No question? Let's go to